In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Woocommerce language in just 5 minutes. Whether you're setting up a new online store or updating an existing one, ensuring that your website speaks to your audience in their language is incredibly important. Today, I'll walk you through a simple process to change your Woocommerce site language, making your shop more accessible and welcoming to your customers no matter where they're from. First things first, let's head over to the WordPress dashboard. This is where the magic begins. Navigating through your WordPress dashboard might seem daunting if it's your first time, but don't worry, it's actually quite straightforward once you know where to look. Think of it as the central hub for all your site settings and configurations, a place where you can truly make your website your own. Once you're in the dashboard, you're going to look for the settings option. It's here that WordPress lets you control a wide array of features, fine-tuning your site to work exactly how you want it. Clicking on settings will unfold a drop-down menu, but the place we're interested in today is the general settings. Go ahead and click on that. Now under general settings, you'll find a whole host of options related to the fundamental aspects of your site. We're focusing on one specific setting today, the site language. Here lies the key to making your site multilingual, or simply changing the default language to better suit your target audience. When you click on site language, you'll be presented with a drop-down menu filled with different language options. From English to Espanol, from Francais to Deutsch, the choice is yours. It's like picking the perfect outfit for your website, one that matches the cultural and linguistic preferences of your customer base. Once you've selected the desired language from the drop-down menu, the next step is to apply the changes. It's a simple matter of clicking Save Changes at the bottom of the page. With that, WordPress will start to work its magic, translating the backend to the language you've selected. But keep in mind, this change affects the admin area and the default language settings for your site as a whole, including how WooCommerce displays on the front end. Now, it's essential to consider that changing the site's language in WordPress doesn't automatically translate your content. For your products, blog posts, or pages, you might need a translation plugin or manual translations to fully cater to your international audience. It's all about ensuring consistency in the user experience across all aspects of your site. Also, if your theme or certain plugins are not fully localized, you might encounter parts of your site still in the original language. This situation calls for a bit of troubleshooting, possibly involving localization files or reaching out to the theme or plugin developers for support. In summary, changing your WooCommerce site language through the WordPress dashboard is a straightforward process that can significantly impact your store's accessibility and appeal to a global audience. Today, we learned how to navigate the WordPress dashboard, access the general settings, and finally, change the site language to one that suits our target demographic better. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. Always back up your site before making significant changes. Although changing the site's language is a relatively safe modification, having a recent backup can provide peace of mind when you're tweaking your website settings. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope this video makes the process of changing your WooCommerce language clear and manageable. Remember, catering to your audience's language not only improves their shopping experience, but also reflects the global, inclusive nature of your brand. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.